Happy fall! It's me, Miss Heather. I'm here to go over your October 4-H newsletter. To start with, we have the Hay and Pumpkin Art Contest. This contest is going on now until October the 23rd. So carve out some time to be creative and share your pumpkin or hay design with us. This contest is open to all ages. Submit a photo of your creation by noon on October 23rd to nicole.walters@uga.edu. For more details, please see the Hay and Pumpkin Art Contest flyer or call the office at 478-994-7014. We also have the Tractor Supply Clover Sale. You can support Monroe County 4-H by visiting Tractor Supply in Forsyth on East Main Street. Tractor Supply will be selling 4-H paper clovers October 7th through the 18th. All proceeds will go to support Monroe County 4-H. October Community Service Project. Write a thank you message to first responders for the sacrifice they make when they have to work during the holidays and can't be home with their families. These messages will be printed and delivered to local first responders in Monroe County. You can find this under your classwork, and it is due November the 10th. What time is it? Poinsettia time. Our annual poinsettia sale has started. The 4-H'er with the most sales wins Beats portable speaker. Make your home, office, church, or classroom more decorative with a large $20 or medium $15 size poinsettia. We have red, white, and pink colors available. Get your orders in by November the 20th and pick up by December the 3rd or the 4th, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. at the Monroe County 4-H office. And October's spotlight goes to Jeremiah Head, Cohen Talton, Lola Talton, and Jaden White for their participation in the Georgia National Fair livestock shows. We wish you all the best of luck. Now let's get started on our October lesson. Today our lesson is on physical and chemical changes. What is a physical change? A physical change alters the form of a substance but does not change it to another substance. Our example here is making orange juice. When you squeeze an orange to retrieve the juice, this is a physical change. The chemical structure of the orange remains the same. What is a chemical change? When a structure undergoes a chemical change, it is changed into a different substance with different properties. Our example is baking a cake. Baking a cake requires altering the chemical makeup of the cake. When the cake is heated in the oven, an endothermic chemical reaction happens, which changes the egg proteins in the soft cake batter, making the cake firm. There are 5 signs of a chemical change. Number 1 is a color change. Number 2 is precipitation, the solid that forms from a solution in a chemical reaction. Number 3, gas production. Number 4, temperature change. And number 5, changes in characteristic properties such as odor and light given off. Leaves, as you notice in the top right corner, undergo a chemical change when the color of the leaves begin to change. The leaves use a chemical called chlorophyll to capture sunshine. Chlorophyll is the pigment that makes the leaves green. Leaves get less light each day in the fall and stop making food to prepare for the winter. The chlorophyll, green color, begins to fade and other colors like red, yellow, orange, and tan begin to show. Now you'll also notice that we have a picture of fireworks. Who loves fireworks? Fireworks is another example of chemical change. Fireworks contain different kinds of elements such as iron, aluminum, steel, magnesium, or zinc. These tiny little flakes of metal are heated up until they burn or shine very brightly. Do you know chemical and physical changes are happening around us every day? Can you guess what cutting paper is? Is that a physical or a chemical change? If you guessed physical, you're right. Now we're going to cut some fruit. Would slicing the strawberry be a chemical or a physical change? If you guessed physical, you're correct. We'll eat that later. What about rotting fruit? Chemical or physical? If you guessed chemical, you're correct. Ice melting would also be a physical change. What about a glow stick? Once you break the inside of your glow stick, you are creating a chemical change. And the warmer your glow stick is, the brighter it'll glow, but the quicker the change will react, so it will not last as long. If you happen to do this and you wanted to slow down the process and make your glow stick last longer, you could simply put it in the refrigerator or the freezer, and that would slow down your chemical process. And last but not least, a candle burning. Is that chemical or physical? And if you guess that burning candles are a chemical change, you are correct. Thanks. Now let's see how you do determining whether it's a physical or a chemical change. Then stay tuned as some senior 4-Hers do an experiment that you can try at home.
Guess what? We're making butter.
You're going to need a pint of whipping cream, a jar with a lid, a measuring device, some crackers, and something to smear your butter on with. First, you're going to start off by pouring your whipping cream into your jar. Baby food jars will work as well. Then you're going to put the jar lid on and tighten really good.
Then shake aggressively.
Here's some different ways you can have fun while shaking your butter. Continue shaking the jar until a ball of butter has formed. Then you're going to open the jar, pour off the excess liquid. Then you will observe and taste on a cracker. Marissa will taste it for us.
Good butter.
Thank you guys so much for participating with us. See you next time. Bye.
Bye.